This video is going to show you how you can create these Studio Ghibli-style photos in just a couple of seconds. Studio Ghibli is a massive trend, and turning your photos into Ghibli-style art is a creative way to stand out online, whether you're using it for social media posts, personal projects, or just having fun. The best part is that this is absolutely free, so let's start right away. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone, this method works on both devices. And the primary way of doing this was by using ChatGPT, but we won't be using that method in this video because it doesn't work anymore. Instead of that, you'll want to open your App Store if you're an iPhone user, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, and then download and install the Grok AI Assistant. If you use Twitter a lot, you may have Grok already installed on your device. But if you don't, simply download and install this on your device. Once Grok is installed, open it and then log in with your Twitter account. If you don't have a Twitter account, it's fine. You can create a new account with an email address, or you can use your Google account to log into Grok AI. Once you create an account or log in with your Twitter account, the assistant will look something like this. And in order to create our Ghibli-style photo, we're going to tap here and then select the Photos section. This is going to open our photo gallery, where we will be able to select a photo which we want to transform. I have this beautiful photo, and I will write a simple prompt like this, and you can do the same thing. Turn this photo into Studio Ghibli style, and then hit enter on your keyboard. All we have to do now is to wait a couple of seconds until Grok analyzes our photo, and then turns it into this Ghibli-style photo. It looks pretty good, and I can save it into my photo gallery by tapping on this little arrow option right here. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon.